fix out of video memory error in Killing Floor 2025. This updated fix works for both Killing Floor 2, UE3, UE4, and Killing Floor 3, UE5. Step 1. Force DirectX 11 or DirectX 12 for KF3 if DX11 fails. For Killing Floor 2, 1. Open Steam, Library, right-click Killing Floor 2. 2. Go to Properties, Launch Options. Add, you can see the code in our conversation history. For Killing Floor 3, if available, if you're experiencing a crash on DX12, try forcing DX11 first with Nice D3D11 or test DX12 if your GPU supports it well. Step 2. Increase virtual memory/page file size, fixes VRAM overload. If your VRAM is low 2 to 4 GB, Windows will need to fall back on RAM disk space. 1. Press WinR, type sysdm.cpl, hit enter. 2. Go to Advanced, Performance, Settings, Advanced, Virtual Memory. 3. Click Change, uncheck Automatically Manage, select your drive, usually C, set custom size, initial 8192 megabytes, max 163384 megabyte. Click Apply, restart your PC. Step 3, disable texture streaming. Texture streaming can overload VRAM by forcing late texture loads. 1. You can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Open kfengine.ini. 3. Find or add the line. You can see the code in our conversation history. Or for KF3, if it uses UE5, you can see the code in our conversation history. Step 4, NVIDIA and AMD GPU optimization. For NVIDIA, 1. Open NVIDIA Control Panel, manage 3D settings, program settings. 2. Add kfgame.exe, recommended settings, power management mode, prefer maximum performance, low latency mode, on or ultra, texture filtering quality, high performance, vertical sync, off. For AMD, 1. Open AMD Adrenalin, Gaming, Killing Floor. 2. Apply Radeon Chill, off, texture filtering, performance, wait for VSync, always off. Step 5. Enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling. Improves memory management between GPU and Windows. 1. Press Win-I, System, Display, Graphics Settings. 2. Scroll to Default Graphics Settings. 3. Enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling. 4. Reboot PC. Step 6. Use full screen mode, lower resolution. Switch to full screen, not borderless or windowed. Lower the resolution to 1280 by 720 or 1600 by 900. Lower texture, shadows, post-processing to low. Turn off ambient occlusion, depth of field, motion blur. Step 7. Monitor VRAM usage. Install tools like MSI Afterburner or GPU-Z to check your GPU usage and temperature. If your VRAM is maxing out at 100%, reduce resolution or disable HD texture packs. Bonus, Game Clean Boot. 1. Type msconfig, boot tab, safe boot unchecked. 2. Under Services, hide Microsoft Services, disable all 3. Disable all startup apps in Task Manager. Startup tab. Reboot and run Killing Floor directly. Final notes. System recommendation, 2 GB VRAM, 720p, lowest settings, DX11. 4 GB VRAM, 900p, medium settings. 6 GB plus VRAM, 1080p, high settings with adjusted textures. Let me know your GPU